Hey everyone, today's video has got to do with a home makeover. So, like the others that I do, this one deals with a bedside table. So, the normal way to do a bedside table is to have a small table and put a lamp on it. Let's try something different. So, I'll take you in for a closer look, but you can see that's my beautiful Chanu who's sleeping. This is a storage box. It's a wooden storage box. It's a shisham box and it has a beautiful old clasp and detailing. And I have used it to store some of my winter saris, which I don't need every day. So, this is a great idea to increase your storage space without investing in another cupboard. So, this is two uses, it's my bedside table and a storage chest. So if you, even in other places in your house, you can use this chest and put cushions on it and make some seating. It's extremely versatile. You can use it as a coffee table as well. I don't like small bedside tables. I feel they look cluttered. So one of the first things I'm going to talk about here is my little plug point. So I've got a multi plug point here. And I like to leave a little space between the wall and this piece of furniture so it can be cleaned. Secondly, I throw the wires at the back so they're not cluttering my table. This is a beautiful seashell mother of pearl plate which I got in Langkawi as a souvenir, and this is a piece of raw black tourmaline that I got as a gift from a dear friend, and it is to absorb negative energy, and one needs to cleanse this periodically. You either soak it in a bowl of water, that's tap water or drinking water, and with a drop or two of a good quality essential oil, and leave it for 24 hours, or you cleanse it with sea salt. So these are just some ways to cleanse a crystal. So this stays by my bedside. This is my bottle of water, and it's important that you clean the bottle frequently if you're using it, and if you're drinking it from the mouth, then make sure nobody shares this bottle. This is an old Banarasi coaster. It's part of a table mat set. It's hand woven, it's in silk, and it can be washed very easily. These little bits of whimsy just make something more beautiful rather than utilitarian. This is a handmade phone stand. It's modular, so it comes out like this and folds in. It's a great piece for even doing your Zoom calls because you don't have to keep holding on to your phone. And there is a space here, over here, for the wire to come through for charging. So it's a very beautiful piece, and being handmade, I really like it. This is a very old lamp and it's on its last legs, but I just love it, so I'm hanging on to it. This is a wooden plate that I bought on a sale at Fab India. It has a real leaf embedded in it, and the grain of the wood is there. It's scarred and it's well loved and it's used. So I polished it with linseed oil and it's good to go. This is the current book that I'm reading, so it's here nice and handy. I love these bookmarks. They're by Anand Prakash. This one's the Tree of Life. I intend to get a few more, and it's really beautiful, and it's always with me. This is a bowl that is made out of wrought iron with a stand, and this is stained glass. It's almost 19 years old because I got this at my wedding, and I have some uneven shells here which I have collected off the beach. The beauty of these shells are that they're not perfect, and they have lovely iridescent colors, and it's really beautiful. This is my faithful companion, the Carvaan radio. It's giving some problems, so I'm going to have to take a look at it. This is a very old crystal bowl, and it belonged to my grandmother. She and my grandfather was a doctor in the army, and she won it in a thread and needle race, I believe, and it's many years old. I remember my mum using it, and now there's this place of pride on my bedside table. I love white shells, and I love these ones, the tones of maroon and brown. reminds me that I'm close to the sea. This box is a gift from a very dear friend, the same one who gave me the black tourmaline, and she just has such wonderful taste. It's made by hand, it's hand carved, it's a log of wood, and it has a jap mala near at hand. So whenever I'm unable to sleep or I'm feeling restless, I can reach out. This jap mala is of garnet, which is my birthstone, and I like to keep it handy. And every time your fingers rub the beads, it releases energy, which soothes you. So here is my bedside table. It's a mix and match of things, and above all, it's a thing of beauty which will give me joy forever. And in my house, you will notice there are always cushions everywhere so that my dogs can rest. Of course, half the time they're on the bed, but there must be enough comfort spots for them at all times. I hope this helped, and this is what it looks like from a distance, and it makes me happy every time I walk into the room. Take care and have a great week.